Well, hi. Thank you again for coming to my channel. We are doing a tutorial for a dance called Roots. It's an improver level, 32 count, with 3 restarts. It's super easy to hear. Choreographed by Ray Verdonk and Raymond, and I never pronounce his name right, so I'm sorry, Sarlamajin. So those 2 wonderful choreographers did this. And yeah, we're gonna get turned around. And once again, my assistant is laying here working very hard to help me with this tutorial. So if you have any questions, filter them to Scully. I'm sure he can help you. All right, we are going to start with our right foot with 2 Dorothys. Make sure that you get the rhythm of a Dorothy correct. The rhythm is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and, not 1 and 2, okay? So sometimes a Dorothy is also called a wizard. We're going to take it out right, left, right, left, right, left, right, swivel, swivel, step, left, swivel, swivel. Okay, now when you do the Dorothys, you want to go in a diagonal. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Second count of 8, take your left foot and step back. 1, hold 2, back on your right foot, 3, forward on your left, 4. Right foot does a kickball step, kickball step, you're weighted on your left. Touch your right toe and back, turn halfway around, sorry my shoes are really squeaky, and stay on your left foot when you rotate around. So that foot is behind and you rotate staying on that left foot. Okay, so let's go over that. The second count of 8, after you've done the swivel, swivel, the left foot goes 1, hold 2, back 3, 4, kick 5, and 6, toe, touch, turn. It's half the dance. Let's put it together from the top. Starting with your Dorothys, 6, 7, 8, you have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and step, swivel, swivel, step, step, swivel, swivel, rock, back, and hold, go back and front, go kick, step, step, go touch, and turn. And you are at 6 o'clock with your right foot free. Now I'll do it at this wall and then I'll flip it so you can see. This is a mambo with a little kick, so I'm going to take it to the side. I'm going to go right, recover, kick, step, left, recover, step. I'm going to turn it to be easier for you to see it. So your right foot was free, and I have mambo beginning with a kick, step, side, mambo, step. It counts as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So when you finish it, you're going to be on your left foot. Now I'm just going to go forward so you can see what comes next. 2 more steps, walking right, left, and a triple in place that kind of feels like an anchor step. Right, left, right, because you want to put all your weight on your right when you finish it. Okay, I'm going to show you get at this wall before we flip it so you can see. Here we go. From the mambo, your right foot is free. 7, 8, you have side, rock, kick, step, side, rock, step, walk it twice, twice, and then you're going to take anchor step, little triple in place. Okay, turning at the back wall, 6, 7, 8, we have right, left, kick, step, left, right, step, walk it twice, triple in place. I'm going to go back to the beginning, add that on, we got 1 more count of 8. Here we go. From the right, taking that, stepping on the right leg. 7, 8, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, step, 7, and 8, rock, back, back, forward, kick, and step, turn around. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now my counts were a little funky over here, so the counts on this were 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, my bad again, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Felt like I might have not held that left foot on the beginning, and that does hold for count 2. So there's 1 more count of 8, not too difficult. You are facing 6 o'clock, yes, and you've just done your little triple in place. Your weight is on your right. Follow your left shoulder, step to the side, 1/4 left. 1. Take your right toe and just tap it to the side. 2. Step a quarter back where you just came from. 3. Follow your right shoulder, step left side. 4. All your weight is on your left. Give me a sailor step right here. Behind, side, side. Coaster step, back, together, forward. So that last part is just back, side, side, back, together, forward. Now how did I get there? I was here, and I step on my left foot on 1. I touch 2. Step on my right foot quarter, my left foot quarter. Now I'm weighted on my left. Sailor step right, coaster step left. I'm on my left foot to start my Dorothy on the right. So we're going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to do it twice for you at this wall and at this wall. Here we go. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and step, swivel, swivel, step, step, swivel, swivel, go 1, hold 2, rock 3, kick 5 and 6, tap and turn, mambo kick, right, left, kick, step, left, right, left, 2 walks, anchor, triple in place, step, left, point, step, right, left, sailor. Now we go again, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, back 1, hold 2, go 3, 4, kick and step, turn out, side and kick and side and step, 2 walks, triple, 7 and 8, quarter, point, quarter, quarter, right, left, right, back and front, and you're at 6 o'clock. Okay? So, now the 3 restarts happen at wall 2, 6, and 9. They're really, really easy to hear because the lyrics go back to my roots, and you'll hear it and you'll recognize it. And every time he says that, you'll be wanting to do that on that section. So the first time it happens will be at wall 2, and so you're going to restart it after 2 8s, both times. So if we do 2 8s at this wall, it'll be 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, step 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, restart here, okay? So that's going to be now wall 3, and then you're going to keep going around 4, 5, 6 is another one, and then that will bring you to another wall. So as I said, it's 2, 6, 9, and it will be pretty darn easy to hear because the music really does lead up to it, okay? So I think the next thing to do is just to give this a shot with some music, and yeah, I'm going to turn around and get started. Oh, one thing, I realized after I said it, that I said that the second wall is there. It's not, it's there, okay? So when you do your restart, you'll actually be, this is the second wall, speak candy, okay? So I had the order of where you were going a little bit different. So I didn't want to screw you up, so we're going to try it again, or I guess for the first time, with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, Dorothy. Back, rock, recover, kick and step, turn, mambo kick, 2 walks, triple, quarter step. Sailor coaster, this is going to be your restart wall. Here we go, start again, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, hold it back. the other coaster. Yeah, so you can take that, you can kind of spin it back around at the end if you want. So I think that those restarts are really hairy because you hear them really easy to hear. You hear them say, every time you can take me to my roots. And so it's those 3 walls, and it's kind of quick. Remember, if you don't know, when you're watching this on YouTube, if you go to the settings and there's that little wheel, if you hit it, it'll give you playback speed, because I know this one is fast, and so you can slow it down to watch it slower, which might make it easier to pick it up, okay? So meanwhile, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. Take the time to like the video. I'd love that. Comment is wonderful. Share. And he didn't move. So anyway, thank you so much for coming. I am in the Los Angeles area. If you're out here, please look me up. I would love to meet up with you, and I hope to see you on the dance floor. Thank you so much.